Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that is probably the nicest 66 Mustang convertible I've ever seen. Look at this beautiful car. That red is popping, and that chrome is looking sweet. We got the pony and the grille, got the driving lights, everything. Look down that hood line there. Look how nice all the lines line up. Man, this thing looks beautiful. And that sun is just making that red paint shine, looking sweet. You can see that driver's doors fitting awesome. I mean, just the workmanship on this car is off the hook. Definitely better than from the factory. You can see all the stainless is looking good. All the chrome is looking awesome. The whiskers are all new. The upholstery's all looking sweet. She's a 4-speed. There's a center console in there. We got seat belts in the front and the back. There is a boot for the convertible top. That's in the trunk right now. We just put the top down because the sun's out. You can see the dash pads looking good. All the chrome on the dash is also looking good. She does have the air conditioning unit there. We're gonna get this thing up on the lift and show you how beautiful the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna get it out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this beautiful car. You can see all the chrome back here is looking awesome. The GT emblem there on the gas cap's looking great. Inside the trunk, yeah, there's that boot I was telling you about. You always want to pull up this mat. Make sure the bottom, look at that, all painted up, looking good. Now the center of the floor is actually the gas tank. You see we've got the spare tire in here. You can see the paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. They had the latch out when they did the restoration, so that really tells you the guys really cared about what they're doing. Look at these quarter extensions, how they fit. You see the line on the trunk also looking great. I think everything about this car is just absolutely gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do consignment. That means we own this little Mustang convertible, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. The first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get inspected so we can tell you exactly what the car's got going on. We're gonna take pictures, we're gonna do our video, that way you can see exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. All right, it's a beautiful day to go for a ride in a Mustang convertible. Let's go. We got 4 speeds and we're gonna use all 4 of them, baby. This thing is sweet, man. Look at the reflections in the hood out there on that red paint. Tell you what, that's when you know you got a good paint job, when you can see reflections in red. Man, it's beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this little Mustang anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and almost 24 hours a day. You can call him anytime. Sounds awesome. It's got the stock exhaust on it. I'm a loud man. I know you guys that watch the videos all the time already know that. So the only thing I'd do to this car is put some loud exhaust on it so I can wake up the neighbors. I want everybody to know when I go for a drive. Now look down here on the dash. You can see all the chrome down here just looks like it's brand new. The imitation wood grain also looks like it's brand new. That's all factory. All that chrome looks good. It's got the stock AM radio in it, so if you're a radio guy, you might want to put a radio in it. I don't care. I don't listen to the radio when I'm out in the muscle car. Of course, she does have the under dash unit for the AC. Just amazing little car. Wait till you see this baby up on the left. She is just as pretty on the bottom as she is on the top. As long as we're talking about that, at Vanguard, every car goes up on the left. A lot of guys just put the pretty ones up on the left. We put every one of our cars up on the left because every one of our cars are pretty on the bottom. Now, if you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We're right outside of the outskirts of the airport, so if you need to fly in, we're close. You want to send an inspector, no problem. We'll treat you inspector just like we treat you. And we're back at our shop now where we're going to put it up in the air. We're at 15100 Keel Street. And look at this. Okay, if this is Grandpa, there's grandson right there. Brand new GT500, guys. Check out the website. All right, we're underneath this Mustang now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see the tank's been all restored. Looks like it's got new bushings in the shackles. The spring packs look like they've been restored. You can see brand new brake lines here, brand new shocks. We've got a 3.0 gear in here, and it is limited slip. You can see new U-bolts. Now, it looks like we've got fairly new drums here too, and the guys will take those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You see the frame members are nice and clean and nicely painted. The floorboards look amazing. You just do not see floorboards on these convertibles looking this beautiful. You can see they got the plugs in here. That's actually the access holes for the seats to hold those down. I see new fuel line, new brake line. Frame members up here, absolutely beautiful. We got torque boxes on both sides, also gorgeous. Top loader 4-speed, stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage. It looks like a stock starter also. Now all this stuff up front here that's normally left bare metal looks like it's been painted with that bare metal looking paint, which is looking good. Lower control arms look new, upper control arms look new. We do have disc brakes out front here. Those are stock appearing also. We got a sway bar up front with new bushings. Now these are normally all crushed up from floor jacks from out the years, and they're all looking sweet, look like they're brand new. Front valance is painted right down to the bottom edge, also looking good. Chrome right down to the bottom edge of the front bumper, also looking good. We got the dual red stripes on these great looking wheels. These are actually the style steel wheel, looking sweet with the beauty rings. And let's see, there's the size, 205 70 14s. And as you look down the side here, the rocker and the pinch weld, everything looking sweet here. Now on the convertibles, they got that extra piece of steel in there. You see all these spot welds looking good. I mean, this is just one beautiful car right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Same size, same good looking tire and wheel out back. Wheelhouse is also nice and clean, right down to the bottom edge and the drain hole for the trunk. Let's get under the hood and see what's making the power. All right, under the hood here, we got 289 power. She does have an Autolite 4-barrel carburetor sitting on top. Now this baby is date code correct. She's definitely cast a few weeks before the car was built. It's got the stock master cylinder on it. You can see it's got factory air also. It's got the stock appearing distributor in it, but it does look like it's been upgraded to Pertronics. We've got our power wire going there. We've got our ground wire going there. That tells us that there is electronics inside there. We've got nice paint on the motor, nice paint on the shock towers. We've got a top on the battery to make it look like an old style battery, which is very cool. I mean, everything under here is looking sweet, guys. She's absolutely beautiful. Even the paint work on the bottom side of the hood, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.